So, do you want to invest in crypto? Do you want to get started on one of the fastest growing industries of our time? Stick around because I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to start your crypto journey. What is crypto, I hear you asking? Well, great question. Crypto is an online money system that is an alternative to the current banking system. Crypto works on what's called a blockchain, which means that all transactions in this ecosystem are checked by multiple computers called miners. Step 1. Get a non-custodial wallet. A wallet is basically your bank account in the crypto environment. So there are two types of wallets. There are custodial wallets and there are non-custodial wallets. Watch the video that I linked at the top here. But the point is, you need a non-custodial wallet. There are many of them out there. I use Exodus and Trust Wallet as my two non-custodial wallets. I am not affiliated or paid by any one of them. I just use them on a day-to-day basis. You will find links in the description below, so use them if you feel that. If you want to use a different one, that's fine. Just make sure that whatever you use is a non-custodial wallet. Step 2. Get your mnemonic safe. A mnemonic is a 12-word recovery phrase that is given to you when you register your wallet on the blockchain. If this is not given to you, you have to change to a non-custodial wallet. You have to understand that your crypto isn't held in your wallet. Your wallet is simply glasses that helps you to see your crypto on the blockchain. Your crypto is stored on the blockchain. Without your mnemonic, you cannot reach your crypto. Thus, you can use a different wallet to access your crypto. Watch the video that I've linked up here for a better explanation of that. So you need to write this mnemonic down. You need to add it to your will. You need to add it in places where online hackers cannot find it. The point is, if you have this 12-word recovery phrase, anyone has access to this money. That's why this is the biggest crypto secret out there, your mnemonic phrase. Step 3. Decide which crypto you want. There are two types of crypto, tokens and coins. The difference is that tokens are very specific to their environment and coins have their own blockchains. They hold very big opportunity for trading, but you cannot hold them for long periods of time as they are controlled by a specific company or an institution. Thus, make trades with tokens and switch them back to coins. Examples of these are Binance token, ERC20 tokens, Shiba Inu, Tether, etc. There are many of these. Coins are real money in the crypto environment. They supply infrastructure to the crypto environment as they run on their own blockchains. Usually, the tokens run on the coin's blockchain. Examples of coins are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are the more stable environments of the entire crypto ecosystem. So token prices can fluctuate wildly, while coin prices are usually more stable. It's very important to understand the risk factor here. Tokens are like a toddler that just had a pack of sweets. They are all over the place, and it's like this, and it's like this, where tokens follow a more normal price movement structure. You have to understand that a 20% movement in one day of any given crypto coin or token is not unheard of. And that's what makes this environment so dangerous. Thus, any money that you put into crypto, you have to consider that money lost already. Step 4. Fund your account. Watch the video up here that will show you exactly how to fund your account. It works the same in Trust and Exodus Wallet, thus watching this will help you for both. Step 5. Educate yourself. It goes without saying that I'm just a random dude on YouTube. I cannot give you financial advice. You have to make your own financial decisions. You have to educate yourself. The more you know about something, the better your decisions will be. That's why I'm saying subscribe to this channel, understand what's going on, watch videos in this environment. Don't just watch my videos, watch other people's videos, because you are in control of your own financial prosperity. The better and the more you know about your finances, the better you will be. Watch this video on how to buy Bitcoin in your Exodus wallet.